Alright folks, this is my 2005 Toyota Tacoma Crew Cab TRD, and what I have is a problem, my first problem I've ever had with the Toyota here. It's a 2005 Toyota Tacoma, and my rear window switch is not working. I cannot lower or raise the window with this switch. The right rear window does not work. The lock is off. Will not go down. Okay, so what I did is I took the door panel off here so I could get to the switch on the right rear door. This switch does work down, but does not work up. Will not go up. So down works fine on this. Now the only way for me to get my window up is to pull up on the driver's side switch and up on the passenger side switch at the same time. When both the switches are up, the window will then go up. So folks, if you have this same problem or a similar problem or know how to fix it, please send me a message, rate, comment below. Other than that, this is a very reliable truck. I got almost 70,000 miles on it. Original tires, these are the Dunlops AT20s. 67,000 miles on it, and it's getting close to time to replace the tires, but other than that, this thing has been a fabulous vehicle. The door panel was pretty easy to take off. Two screws. One screw is in here. The other screw is straight down into the door handle, which is right there. So the rest of it is held in by these plastic retaining clips, which pull out, and then the whole door panel slides up. In addition to that, there is this one push pin, which is located in the top side panel, top right side, right there. That's really simple. You push this in just about 1/4 of an inch, and then the retaining clip comes right out. And then this also came off. There's a plastic piece. It just pulls right off. So I'm trying to narrow it down to whether it's an actual part I need or it's a bad connection. I'm hoping it's not a faulty wiring harness. So right now I'm just checking my connections here. I want to know if there's any way to test this switch with a multimeter. I'm going to give that a shot next. But anyway, I'll probably end up just buying a new switch. This one's obviously the cheaper one. The one on the driver's side door is probably going to be very expensive because it's the main master switching panel, and I probably got to replace all the switches, not just one. Anyway, time to call Toyota. And folks, I forgot to mention, to get this switching panel open, it's hooks in the back and a clip up front. So you want to try to pull up on the forward part of the switching panel, like so. And then there's a disconnect here for the whole switch, which should be relatively easy to press on the side here and pull this out. So yeah, now I gotta go find out and see how much this sucker costs. Anyway, that's my video on the 2005 Toyota Tacoma. It is a great economical truck, and that's all I have for problems with it right now. It's 6 years old, totally paid off, and hopefully I can fix this problem and help you guys fix it too. Okay, I have identified this as the bad part simply by taking the one from the opposite door on this Tacoma, 2005 crew cab Tacoma, and connecting it back here. And this is the switch from the other side, which operates the window fine. So, and now the switch works from the driver's side door as well. So this part I looked up, it retails for about $90. Maybe you can get it on eBay for about $70. But anyway, thank God it's not the master switch from the driver's side door, because that one costs about $200. Anyway, so yeah, if you have the same problem, go ahead and swap one side to the other and see if the problem follows. Anyway, looking at this switch, the bad one, it does look like there's some a little bit of corrosion in the center pin here, where the plating from this connector has come off. So that's the only thing I can see wrong with this switch at all. So anyway, hope that helps you guys. Have a great day.